everyone, I'm Ahana, a final year medico at AIMS Kalyani. This is gonna be a weekend vlog where I'll still be attending my morning classes, studying at the library and unexpectedly going somewhere. Also, there's a surprise waiting for you people somewhere in this video, so watch it till the end. And now without any further ado, let's get into the video. What's up people, I'm Ahana, and as you people have already seen from the thumbnail of this video that this is gonna be a weekend vlog. But being a final year medico, हमारे life में weekend बोल के कुछ होता नहीं है. So it's Saturday and even today I have my classes. It's like 7:30 right now. It's not 7:30. It's 7:50 right now and I have my classes starting from 8 o'clock. So I'll just quickly get ready and then we'll be going to class. As I wake up every morning, I'll just quickly go and call my friends क्योंकि आज Saturday है and इसीलिए सब सो रहे हैं. Day without you in my life, I don't know how to mend. And I was like, oh 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 oh. You were like, no no oh. I was like, oh 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 oh. You were like, no no oh. Come on, let's rewind till I smile. That look upon your face. My heart is empty and unguided. I'm blind leading chase. So I just came back to my room and I won't be going to my postings today क्योंकि all my major 4 postings are over for my 8th semester, that is medicine, surgery, pedia and gynae. And अभी 2 months मेरा minor posting चलेगा. अभी मेरा psychiatry चल रहा है. I have already went like 2 days in this week and I feel that's enough. अभी का plan तो है कि I'll just take my books and I'll go to the library क्योंकि room इतना गंदा होकर पड़ा है. I can't study in this room. Room में रहूंगी, मैं सो जाऊंगी. So yeah, let's just pack and go to the library. अभी तो मेरा कुछ plan नहीं है आज का वैसे. क्या दिन आ गया, आजकल वीकेंड पे भी पढ़ने जाना पड़ रहा है लाइब्रेरी. We are at the library. Right now I'm studying OBS and आज का मेरा टारगेट था कि मेडिकल एंड सर्जिकल कॉम्प्लिकेशंस ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी यूनिट खत्म करना. आई यूजुअली स्टडी विद माई टाइमर ऑन बिकॉज इट गिव्स मी एन एग्जैक्ट एस्टिमेट ऑफ हाउ मच आई एम एक्चुअली स्टडिंग. क्योंकि बहुत टाइम होता है कि हम लोग 5-6 घंटे बैठे रहते हैं बट वी एक्चुअली स्टडी इफेक्टिवली फॉर जस्ट 2 to 3 hours. Did you know that more than half of all pregnant women in India are anemic and most of them don't even know it? That's scary because anemia in pregnancy can affect not just the mother but the baby too. Anemia means you do not have enough healthy red blood cells to carry oxygen to your body. That's where iron and folic acid come in. These are given to every pregnant woman to prevent anemia. These tablets are ideally started from the second trimester, that is around the 4th month of pregnancy, and you should take 1 tablet daily after meals and continue it for at least 180 days even after delivery. इसको खाने के बाद लेना to reduce stomach irritation. एंड इसके साथ मिल्क, टी और कॉफी ये सब नहीं लेना है क्योंकि it reduces the absorption. It is best to take with vitamin C like orange juice or lemon water क्योंकि ये absorption बढ़ाता है. And avoid calcium rich foods at the same time. And हाँ, it can make your stools a little darker sometimes, but that's absolutely normal. So to all the moms to be, don't skip your iron and folic acid tablets. Real love takes practice. We know accidents happen, but my love's on purpose. Reciprocate the feeling. Find peace beneath the surface. Everything's peachy. I studied for like 1 more hour and I was able to complete 7 chapters. But उसके बाद मुझे बहुत भूख लग गया था, so I thought कि चलो अभी जाके लंच करके आते हैं. सो आज सैटरडे था एंड मेस में आज नॉनवेज कुछ नहीं रहता था तो मैं कैंटीन से एक अंडा ले लिया एंड देन वी वेंट टू द मेस टू हैव माय लंच. सो हमारे कॉलेज में फर्स्ट कॉन्वोकेशन होने वाला था ऑन द 30th of this month एंड ऑन दिस ओकेजन द प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया वुड बी विजिटिंग अ कॉलेज. 5-6 JCPs लगातार 2-3 दिन से काम कर रहे थे टू क्लियर आउट ऑल द फील्ड्स.
এত কি জায়গা আছে এটা?
What's up people? So I just came back to my room and just now I got a call from my dad that he has come to Haringhata for an office meeting. So he told me that if I want to go home or not क्योंकि गाड़ी भी है तो I can go home directly. And I thought कि चलो weekend है तो लेट्स गो. तो फटाफट आई जस्ट पैक 1 or 2 क्लोथ्स. घर जाने से पहले मैंने रूम को थोड़ा साफ कर लिया क्योंकि इफ़ आई रिटर्न टू दिस रूम ऑन मंडे देन मेरा कोई एनर्जी नहीं बचेगा उस दिन इसको साफ करने का. आई डोंट नो अबाउट यू पीपल बट मैं कितना भी इस रूम को साफ क्यों ना कर लूँ हर 2-3 दिन में ये ऐसे गंदा हो ही जाता है. तो लेट मी नो सम टिप्स इन द कमेंट्स दैट आई कैन यूज टू कीप माई रूम क्लीन.
15 minutes later.
Read the fine print, I've got baggage and it's all Gucci, don't get too attached to me. Everybody act like the answer, one love like in the movies, wasting precious time assuming. What we made to fall.
So I am finally back home. अभी 4 बज गया है. So right now I'll just quickly freshen up and बारिश भी हो रहा है बाहर. I'll take some rest and I think then I'll be going outside क्योंकि कॉलेज में इस वीक it was so hectic and I couldn't go out anywhere and अभी मेरा मन कर रहा है कि कहीं घूमने जाने का. After that I quickly freshened up and got ready and मम्मा ने मुझे एक egg fry करके दिया because I was a little bit hungry. I had that and now let's go. So I reached Kolkata and the first thing I saw was chaos. Auto walas quoting 150 for a 10-minute ride, buses jam-packed and me just standing there with zero energy to negotiate. And I was like, not today. So I did the smart thing. I downloaded the Uber app, opened and tapped on this new thing I've been hearing about, Uber Shuttle. Booked my seat in under a minute and the best part, it shows you real-time routes, pick-up points and you can even pre-book for the whole week if you want to plan. In about 5 minutes, the shuttle arrived and I was out of the madness. Finally, peace. The AC is on point, I have a proper seat, no elbow fights, no hanging from a door, and the best part, honestly, this feels more like a break than a commute. I usually use this time to read, clear my mind or just do nothing. Because once hospitals start, there's zero me time left. And as a girl traveling alone, this makes such a big difference. Verified drivers, GPS tracking, and there's even an emergency button on the app. So yeah, completely safe and prioritize comfort. Rare combo. Reached CC2, all relaxed and not looking like I ran a marathon. So if you're in Kolkata and haven't tried Uber Shuttle yet, you're missing out. Just open the Uber app, tap Shuttle, book your ride. And if you use my promo code, you can get your next shuttle ride at 50% off. So we are at city center. बहुत ही like आसानी से आ गए हम लोग यहाँ पे. And now try to complete my shopping.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up
ये इतना बड़ा मॉल में पहली बार आया है.
to you now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
आता मैं घर से इतना प्राइस था कि वापस आ गया.
I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room.
So I went to Crossword and मेरा पूरा बचपन का याद आ गया. Used to go there so often and मैं तब कितना बुक्स खरीदती थी बट अब बुक्स का प्राइस देख के मुझे लगा कि नहीं भाई 500 रुपये का एक बुक है.
You got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
फाइनली इसने कुछ खरीदा. क्या है दिखाओ.
आफ्टर दैट इट वॉज टू लेट एंड हम दोनों को बहुत भूख भी लग गया था एंड ऊपर ही फूड कोर्ट था तो वी थॉट कि चलो जाके कुछ खा लेते हैं. एंड वी वेंट टू दिस न्यू शॉप विच वॉज कोका इफ आई एम नॉट प्रोनाउंसिंग इट रॉन्ग. एंड वहाँ पे एक सुंदर सा डिश का फोटो दिया हुआ था एंड वी थॉट कि चलो इसको ऑर्डर देके देखते हैं बट दिस इज वॉट वी रिसीव्ड. Anyways, कुछ भी करके we finished the meal, but हम लोग का भूख तभी भी मिटा नहीं था and we were planning on returning. नीचे जाते ही we saw this sweet shop जहाँ पे this viral kunafa chocolate was available and मैंने एक cube खरीदा that costed me 40 rupees and trust me it was so tasty. You should definitely give it a try. यहाँ पे तो आधे लोग हमारी तरफ घूमने आते हैं. I don't know कि if people actually buy from these stores because they're so expensive. What do you think? So we were just about to leave when gate के सामने हम लोग को McDonald's मिल गया and how could we miss it? Don't hate me on this, but I am a French fries lover. I love French fries. I crave for French fries. And recently 2-3 हफ्ते it wasn't available in any of the cafes near my college. So we went there and I ordered it. उसके साथ we got a burger and a float. खाना हो जाने के बाद वी रिटर्न होम क्योंकि बहुत रात हो गया था. बैक होम एंड आई बॉट कोल्ड ड्रिंक्स फॉर मॉम. कुछ तो लाना पड़ेगा. आफ्टर रिटर्निंग होम आई डायरेक्टली सैट डाउन टू टॉक विद माई मॉम डैड क्योंकि भैया को जॉब मिल गया है इन जयपुर एंड आई स्टे एट माई हॉस्टल. सो बेसिकली दे स्टे अलोन एट होम.
15 minutes later.
तो मैंने चेंज कर लिया है एंड मुझे एकदम भी भूख नहीं लगा है. लाइक आई एम फुल टिल दिस बट मम्मी बोल रही है कि खाना पड़ेगा सो आई हैव टू फिल अप टिल दिस. बहुत दिन पहले मम्मा पापा के लिए एक एक करके वॉच मंगवाया था क्योंकि they do not have a watch and do not wear it also. And I have this parcel. It has 2 watches in this and I'll be surprising them. So yeah, let's go. Let me call them. I still remember those days when mom dad would bring gifts for me and my brother and they would call us and make us sit on the bed, make us close our eyes and then हाथ सामने करके रखने बोलते थे and they would place one gift on each of our hands. So I just did the exact same thing. I called them, made them sit on the bed, asked them to close their eyes and put their hands forward and one by one I gave them each a gift and the reactions were precious.
In my crucial moments, do they pay attention carefully?
After that I was so tired after this entire day of studying, attending classes and roaming around everywhere. So me and my mom were just about to sleep when we started gossiping and पता नहीं कब बात करते करते 1 बज गया. So after that we went to sleep and yeah, this was all about this video and do not forget to subscribe for more. See you people in my next vlog. Now comes the part that you people are most excited about. I had reached 400k maybe 1 month ago and तब से मुझे मन था कि I wanted to do a giveaway. If it was possible for me, I would have done a giveaway for all the 400k people present here, but obviously that's not possible. These will be the rules of the giveaway. I'll put the rules in the description box also, so do not forget to check it out. First, you have to like this video and watch it till the end. Secondly, you have to share it with your friends and family members. Thirdly, obviously you have to subscribe to my channel. And fourth, which is the most important, you have to write down in the comment section what made you people subscribe to my channel. What is that one thing that I show in my videos that has made a positive impact on your daily life? Something that you have adopted from me on my channel. Not 1, not 2, but the 3 best comments along with the other rules if they had followed will be given a surprise hamper. I won't be revealing that what is present in the hamper, but I know you people will love it. I can give you people a hint that it will be about stationeries. Boys and girls equally can participate in that. It's not about skincare or something. So yeah, that's the rule of the video, and if there's something else I'll put it down in the description box, so do not forget to check it out and see you in my next video. Bye bye.